Grade 9 English. Today we'll study a new chapter, The Bond of Love by Kenneth Anderson. This story is conveys the message that we should show kindness towards animals. Animals to have a right to live a dignified and a free life. And the story is based on the theme that even wild animals like sloth bears have emotions and they have respond to the love and kindness showed towards them. Therefore, today we shall study a fascinating account of an orphaned sloth bear which was rescued by the author. And the name of the chapter is Bond of Love. The narrator finds an orphan bear. Narrator finds a bear cub by chance when he and his friends were passing through fields of sugarcane near Mysore. People were driving away the wild pigs from their fields. So, by now, we could get that this story is about the love and friendship between an animal and a human being. Okay, then they spotted sloth bear. His friends shot towards the bear and it died. After the sloth bear died, her cub ran around her dead body, making a sad noise. The narrator caught the bear and gifted it to his wife. Narrator's wife felt so happy she named him Bruno. So, the name of the sloth bear was Bruno. He ate porridge, vegetable, fruits, nuts, meat, rice, drank tea, milk, ate eggs, and drank beer and coffee. Once, now the incident related with Bruno. Once the narrator put a rat poison in the library and Bruno ate it. He suffered a stroke of paralysis. He dragged himself to the narrator's wife. They took him to a veterinary doctor and he recovered after some time. Another time, Bruno drank 1 gallon of old engine oil, but it had no ill effect on him. As Bruno grew, he learned some tricks, and at the narrator's wife's command, he could perform them. He could hold a stick like a gun. Means by now we could get to know that Bruno was receiving great love and care by narrator's wife. Okay, when she said wrestle or box, he did the same. She changed his name to Baba, means very in a very adorable way. Narrator's wife called him Baba. When he grew up, Baba had to be changed as there were children in the house. As Baba grew in size and equaled the two dogs in height, so the narrator and his friends advised the narrator's wife to send him to zoo in Mysore because he needed a bigger and open space. She was not ready, but later she agreed now. The narrator's wife was in grief for weeks after Baba left. She wrote letter to the curator of the zoo to know about Baba. The curator replied that he was fretting and not eating. She decided to meet him after 3 months. It's proved the love and friendship which was shared among them. Means the compassion and the love, and they were just recollecting the things what all happened. And now the reunion. Okay, the narrator took his wife to zoo. Some of her friends told her that Baba would not recognize her, but when she went to the zoo, Baba recognized her. They sat together for 3 hours. She gave him food. She urged the curator to send Baba with her, but he was helpless and suggested her to ask the superintendent for the same. Baba returns home happily. The superintendent allowed her to take Baba, and he was hoisted on the top of the narrator's car, as you can see in the picture also. At home, a 20 feet long and 15 feet wide island was made for him. Means because like Baba has grown in a great size now. A wooden box was kept for Baba and he was happy to be at home again. Narrator wife and Baba spent hours sitting there. So complete chapter, the title even the bond of love is quite appropriate as it focuses on the relationship of love and affection between human beings and animals. The narrator, though the medium of his wife and her pet sloth bear, reveals that love transcends even the barrier of species. And the two characters were the author's wife and Baba. Author's wife is a very kind-hearted animal lover with an affectionate heart. I hope the chapter is clear to everyone. Thank you.